Hello everyone, so for today's video, we're going to make green power juice. I have here 1 cup of green grapes, also I have 2 apples here. This is a good source of fiber and vitamin C. I also have 1 cucumber. This one is mild and refreshing taste and high water content. It can help relieve dehydration and pleasant to eat in hot weather. We also have spinach here, but I'm just going to use around 1 cup of this. This is low in carb but high in insoluble fiber. This type of fiber may benefit our digestion. It is packed high amount of vitamin C, vitamin K, folic acid, iron, and calcium. Now we are ready to make our fresh green power juice. Our grapes is sweet and refreshing, and it contains powerful antioxidant. Now that we're done, all we do is just stir it in order to mix our juice really good. And of course, it is best to serve with some ice in it. Cheers for our green power juice for today. And again, this is it for today, guys. I hope you learned something for today. Thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. And if you have any questions or comment, just comment it and I will see to get back to you. And shout out to our beautiful channel member, Life of MC. If you are into fashion, guys, check her channel and don't forget the bell so that you will be notified if she have a new upload. Another beautiful channel member, my name is Sen. Check her out. If you love cooking, she have a lot of good recipe for you. And don't forget the bell so that you will be notified for a new recipe. Thank you.